100% चलते हैं तो पागल है. All these films are blockbusters in Hyderabad. ये जो साउथ को जो प्यार मिल रहा है अभी ये recent है, मगर जो बॉलीवुड को प्यार मिलता है साउथ में वो तो decades से है.
There is no rule that if you were a part of a doesn't guarantee you or it doesn't materialize or convert into मूवीज फॉर यू. बोलते हैं हमें ऐसा क्यों मार डाल दिया आपको, ऐसा नहीं करना चाहिए था, आप नहीं मरना चाहिए, तो दे से दैट. बट अगर मैं नहीं मरती,
प्रशांत को पूछना है वो
है ना. हाँ, क्यों प्रशांत ने मार डाला रीना को. बट ठीक है ना, वो मरने से फिर वो ट्रिगर हो गए.
बहुत सताया होगा शूट में.
क्या
डेट्स या कुछ
मैंने नहीं किया. आप ऐसे मेरे कुछ ऐसा कुछ नहीं किया. वो प्रशांत ने 2016 में जब मुझे नरेशन दिया था तभी रीना मर गई. तो आई रिमेंबर स्टिल व्हेन ही टोल्ड हो गया आपका कैरेक्टर, यू नो, आई एम लाइक पहली मूवी में, बिकॉज तभी तो 2 पार्ट्स का नहीं था.
प्लेजर, थैंक यू.
हिट 2 की मैं बात कर रहा हूं, यू नो, इन दिस हिट.
How when I did the hit second case, then the climax of it basically, but we thought that will give a nice high in the climax of hit 2, and then I've done it. But and I'm the producer of 1 and 2 also, so obviously I had to do it. But now I think when Sailesh came and pitched me this idea, but let's make this film, and then Srinidhi also joined. So we all are here just before the release of the film, very excited.
Yeah.
With
10 more days to go. 10 more days to go.
Yeah, 10 more days to go. Not even 10. And the way the film has shaped up, we're extremely excited to see the audience reactions, because it's a very new genre. And even generally it's a very new genre, but also even for the hit world, 1 and 2 were investigative thrillers. Even third one is investigative thriller, but it turns into something else by the end of the film. It becomes I don't know how to put it. I think it's better to watch it. Yeah.
This is your right.
हाँ, रिलीज था और उसके बाद कुछ स्क्रिप्ट्स आए और पता नहीं, वर्कआउट नहीं हुआ मुझे. यू नो, अगर कुछ करना है तो मुझे अच्छा लगना चाहिए ना, कि इवन आई शुड फील दैट आई शुड डू इट, नॉट फॉर द सेक ऑफ. मुझे उतना अर्जेंसी नहीं थी कि चलो करना है, तो मैंने अपने हाल में छोड़ दिया. और या तो फाइनली अभी आया ना हिट 3. अरे नहीं, ऐसा नहीं कि वो कॉन्शियस वो था कि मैं कुछ भी ना करूँ, मैं ऐसे कुछ नहीं, ऐसा कि मैं सिर्फ क्रीम लेयर सिलेक्ट करूँ, ऐसा सब कुछ नहीं है. वो क्रीम लेयर वो सब नहीं है. मुझे अगर अच्छा लगता मैं करती, ऐसा कुछ नहीं लगा मुझे जो भी. सो दैट्स व्हाट आई एम सेइंग ना, कि आप देयर इज नो रूल दैट इफ यू वर अ पार्ट ऑफ अ डजंट गारंटी यू और इट डजंट मटेरियलाइज और कन्वर्ट इनटू movies for you, but sometimes it might or it may not. So it's not a formula ki sometimes you're part of very small movie which did not do well at all, but you might be you're part of blockbuster, it might not convert into work at all. So it's and that I want. So let me, you know, but let me probably show my skill in this movie. Did I show it enough?
You did before also. So.
In second part you were the emotional.
Thank you.
Okay.
No, there is a plan to take the universe forward, and then we all come together at some point of time. Correct. Like Avengers, but Avengers of cops, immediate parts.
Okay.
As not the idea as of now, but you never know. Never say never. Exactly.
Yeah, because I think you were not even ready. I don't think you were even thinking of this would happen.
Correct.
So never say never.
क्यों अभी statement बनाऊं कि नहीं रहूँगा for.
तो ना some Avengers में अगर Captain America that core.
Yeah, definitely, because I'm the producer. I think I get to take that little edge over everyone. Yeah.
Okay. तो वहाँ से ले.
No, I think I was equally excited with anything new. What I haven't done, it excites me. I've done a lot of action. I've done a lot of comedy. I've done a lot of very heartwarming films like Jersey. All that. So anything new excites me a lot. So Hit 3 also excited me because it's something new I get to do every day on location, on set. So, and once I think after this, I'm sure I'll jump into other things which are not like this. So at time I think entire Bollywood एक लल फेज में है कोविड के वजह से या यू नो नंबर ऑफ रीजंस के वजह से. एंड यू माइट एट्रीब्यूट अ लॉट ऑफ रीजंस फॉर अ फिल्म नॉट रनिंग वेल. तुमन जो हिंदी में बनी उसे भी अ लॉट ऑफ एप्लॉज मिला OTT में. तो थिएट्रिकल रन के लिए डिफरेंट रीजंस होंगे. इट हैड अ ब्रिलियंट एक्टर लाइक राजकुमार. अच्छा प्रेज भी मिला, मगर आई थिंक ड्यूरिंग दैट टाइम वी वर जस्ट वॉकिंग आउट ऑफ a lockdown or something, and then
Yeah,
just the
second
theaters opened. Some
The
for Jersey
remake.
also, definitely for
Shah
Jersey, also.
Kapoor.
Hindi Jersey. Correct. Yeah,
Anything.
correct.
But
Yeah.
it didn't work.
It didn't happen. Yeah, correct. Yeah, that also could have been the same reason. It also that just we came out of the COVID times, and then I think during Jersey and all that, the KGF 2 Hawa and the action films moved.
Oh yeah, KGF 2 was releasing, no?
Yeah, correct. Something. हाँ
There was
हाँ.
postponement.
वो कुछ या बहुत सारे फैक्टर्स होंगे कि कौन सी फिल्म है, मगर अच्छा फिल्म बुरा फिल्म तो क्लियर डिफरेंस है, उसमें कोई कंफ्यूजन नहीं
जी।
होगा. या नहीं,
Okay.
वो ओरिजिनल है, ये बाद में आया. ये जो साउथ को जो प्यार मिल रहा है अभी, ये रीसेंट है, मगर जो बॉलीवुड को प्यार मिलता है साउथ में,
पहले से।
वो तो डिकेड्स है. हर एक आदमी वहाँ पे आप अगर पूछेंगे जो आपका हिंदी फिल्म फेवरेट कौन सा है, तो उसका कोई ना कोई तो चाइल्डहुड मेमोरीज होगा. अमिताभ बच्चन सर का फिल्म्स या but so many films they will tell you. तो पागल है, all these films are blockbusters in Hyderabad
Okay.
and in the south states. Yeah, they were big hits. So this is new now that everyone's lapping up South cinema across the country. But Hindi cinema was always slapped up by everyone across the country. 100% चलते हैं, and we all love him, and we all watch so many films. हमारे favorite ये all हम आपके कौन and all that are like a cultural thing there.
हम दिल दे चुके सनम.
दीदी तेरा देवर दीवाना and all these songs used to play in our weddings also.
Yeah, like we all used to watch.
हाँ,
उसमें ऐसा नहीं
maybe
कि
misinterpret किया है उनका statement. उन्हें पता होगा कि कितना अच्छे films run हुए हैं वहाँ पे. When you again want to watch a great film, please watch Hit 3.
it's always good to have actually 2-3 genres coming
Correct,
on the same day because
correct.
people will have options to choose. है ना?
That is such a good film. I love Raid, the first part. And Ajay Devgan sir always gave quality products, and he even first time मैं जब मुंबई आया था, मेरा first press meet उनके मक्खी, राजमौली sir और अजय देवगन sir और मैं, और now it feels very good that again our films are coming together. Even in fact, I think with Dasra or with Hainana, when I came here, Ajay Devgan sir every time his film was releasing. Same thing that we are coming on the same day, and I have said, no, we are always coming together. Maybe this is something auspicious for both of us. I look at it like a positive sign. Yeah.
Okay.
Oh yeah, 100%. No, definitely. I love love stories, but I think I'll play age-appropriate love stories now. Maybe I'll not play this college boy or a stalker anymore. I'm a little matured for that, but I love love stories, and I would always love to be a part of a beautifully written love story.
Okay. Till
नहीं,
now.
वो बोलते हैं अभी ऐसे क्यों मार डाल दिया आपको, ऐसा नहीं करना चाहिए था, आप नहीं मरना चाहिए, so they say that. But अगर मैं नहीं मरती,
प्रशांत को पूछना है वो question.
है ना, हाँ, क्यों प्रशांत ने मार डाला रीना को? But ठीक है ना, वो मरने से फिर वो ट्रिगर हो
बहुत
गए.
सताया होगा शूट में,
क्या?
डेट्स या कुछ
मैंने नहीं किया, आप ऐसे मेरे कुछ भी ऐसा कुछ नहीं किया. वो प्रशांत ने 2016 में जब मुझे नरेशन दिया था, तभी रीना मर गई. तो आई रिमेम्बर स्टिल व्हेन ही टोल्ड हो गया आपका कैरेक्टर, आई एम लाइक पहली मूवी में, बिकॉज तभी तो 2 parts का नहीं था.
नहीं
It's
था,
like, yeah. But it's very sweet and nice to see.
Maybe because he
people
loved
still-
working with you so much that he made it into 2 parts that he wanted to have more.
Thank you
Yeah,
for covering up the damage that you did.
No, but Reena
Hitri
can
आ रही है
come.
ना, आ गई ना
Maybe
याद.
next you should do Dhoom 4 or something. No, 1, 2, 3. You've been doing 2, Hate 3. So something you have to join
अब जब मैं
a
4th
fourth film franchise.
So that means you have to keep joining the franchise.
Yeah, I don't want to say names and limit myself right now, but I would love to collaborate, and there are so many brilliant actors here, and if things fall in place, and I'm actually planning to take the Hit franchise, not just Telugu, into different states and different languages we're trying. So definitely, why not? If all things fall in place.
All the best, guys. Thank you.
Thank you so much.